Picture this, a smartphone with a 50MP Sony camera, blazing 120W fast charging, and up to 512GB of storage, all in a budget-friendly package. Meet the rumored Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, a device that could redefine what you expect from a mid-range phone. Let's uncover why this might just be the best bang for your buck. The Samsung Galaxy A37 5G isn't officially here yet, but the leaks have painted a pretty compelling picture. From cutting-edge features to everyday practicality, this phone seems designed for anyone wanting premium capabilities without the premium price tag. Let's explore everything we know so far. The Galaxy A37 5G is said to feature a 6.6-inch QHD display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Why does this matter? It means smoother scrolling, sharper visuals, and better gaming performance. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or enjoying high-intensity games, the 1020 by 2340 resolution ensures crystal-clear details. Samsung didn't skimp on durability either. Gorilla Glass protection shields the screen from scratches, while a built-in fingerprint sensor offers added convenience and security. If photography fans, rejoice! The Galaxy A37 5G's 50MP Sony IMX primary sensor is built to deliver stunning detail in every shot. Need more flexibility? The 32MP ultra-wide lens lets you capture expansive landscapes, while the 5MP depth sensor helps with beautiful portrait shots. And selfies? A 32MP front camera ensures you're always picture perfect. The phone also supports 4K video recording and an impressive 10x zoom, making it feel like you're carrying a professional camera in your pocket. No one likes their phone dying halfway through the day. Luckily, the Galaxy A37 5G packs a 5500 mAh battery, offering all-day use on a single charge. Even better, it comes with 120W fast charging, meaning you can go from 0 to 100% in about an hour. Say goodbye to endless waiting and hello to uninterrupted productivity and entertainment. Whether you're a casual user or a digital hoarder, Samsung's got you covered. The Galaxy A37 5G is rumored to come in 3 variants: 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, 12GB RAM, 512GB storage, and if that's not enough, you can use the dual-slot configuration to add even more memory with a microSD card. This flexibility ensures you'll have all the space you need for apps, photos, and files. This device is built for the future with 5G support, ensuring fast internet speeds and a seamless browsing experience. Whether stream 4K content or downloading large files, the Galaxy A37 5G keeps you connected without interruptions. This phone is perfect for photography lovers who want DSLR-level capabilities without carrying extra gear, busy professionals needing reliable battery life and fast charging, gamers and binge watchers seeking a vibrant, high refresh rate display. Value-conscious shoppers who want premium features at a mid-range price. What makes the Galaxy A37 5G stand out in its category? Here's a quick rundown: camera system that rivals high-end phones. Super fast charging rarely seen at this price. Massive storage options for all your needs. Gorilla Glass protection for extra durability. 120Hz display for smoother visuals. This combination of features puts it miles ahead of the competition in the budget-friendly segment. While official pricing isn't confirmed, Samsung is known for balancing performance and affordability. The Galaxy A37 5G is expected to hit the market between late December 2024 and January 2025, just in time to kick off the new year. As the saying goes, it's not about having the most expensive tools, but the most capable ones. The Galaxy A37 5G embodies this perfectly, offering top-tier features without the hefty price tag. The Samsung Galaxy A37 5G has all the makings of a crowd favorite: stellar cameras, powerful battery life, and incredible value for money. While we wait for the official announcement, these rumored features have already set the stage for something special. So, what do you think? Could this be your next smartphone? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest tech. Stay tuned!